Hi DIYers, I'm Marina from the DIY team, and today we're going to be drawing a fluffy animal. Any guesses what this animal might be? They love to snack on carrots and bounce around all day. That's right, it's a bunny rabbit. Let's draw one together. So, to start drawing our rabbit, we're going to go to the middle of the page and draw a triangle just like that, facing downwards. That's going to be our rabbit's nose. Now go to the bottom of the triangle and draw a line like this, a bit of a U shape, and another one like that to create a W shape. We're then going to go and draw eye number 1 to the right of the nose and do the same on the left hand side. There you go. Now we've got our rabbit face, we're going to add little teeth because rabbits are very good at chewing things. Now we're going to go in with the head, and that's going to be a simple circle like so around the face. And there we go. Next we're going to move on to our rabbit's ears. To do this, we're going to do a big, almost large oval attaching back to its head. We're going to do that on both sides. Now, rabbits also can have floppy ears, so if you want to draw floppy ears on your rabbit, that's absolutely fine. And then we're just going to repeat that shape in the inside. Like so. Let's just go over that line again. There we go. There's our rabbit's ears. Now let's move on to the body. To do this, we're going to go to the right hand side, just below the eyes, see that? Here, and draw a line just slightly curved like this. Now we're going to start where this line ends, and we're going to draw that shape there. That's like an M with an extra N on the end. Bring that down and round, just like that. That's our rabbit's foot, and we're going to repeat that on the other side. And if you need longer, just pause the video and you can play it whenever you're ready. So again, that same shape, and then we're going to do that M with the N, and then draw the line back down and round to connect it up. There we've got our rabbit's feet. We're going to draw 2 ovals, one on the right and one on the left. 2 big ovals, should I say, and then 3 smaller ovals. Just like that. And now we're going to go to either foot, but I'm going to start with the left one. And we're just going to draw our paws like this, a big U shape up and round, and copy that same shape just like that on the other side. To connect this all together, we're just going to go with a simple line like this. And there you go, there you have your rabbit. There's a couple of details that I'll add, but we'll do that at the end. We're ready to colour it in. Okay, and lastly, we're going to add in a couple of details. Firstly, we're going to add in some small lines just on the two front paws like that. I'm also just going to tidy up a couple of these lines where I've gone over. There we go. And then, of course, we can't forget the rabbit's long whiskers. So just like that, I'm going to do 3 lines going outwards like this, and I'm going to do the same on the other side. Like that. Oh, let's do that one again. There we go. And there you've got your rabbit.
How fluffy was your bunny? Did you have its ears up or down? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more drawing videos. You can also head to DIY.org to access fun, creative tools, watch courses on loads of different subjects, and share your creation online with other like-minded children like you. Thanks for watching, see you next time.